Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created AI chat, and in that one profile photo will be there. If you want to change the profile photo of that Instagram AI chat, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to change the profile photo of an Instagram AI chat that you created. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, down here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see AI chats. Click on AI chats. When you're clicking on that, you will reach AI Studio, and here you can see your AI chats. Under that, you can see every AI chat that you have created. From this, select the AI chat which you want to change the profile photo for. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat. After that, above you can see the settings button. Click on this settings button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see a pencil-like button. Click on this next to that profile photo. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach a new page. Here, if you want to change this profile photo, what you need to do is either click on this button. When you're clicking on that, that profile photo will be refreshed and a new profile photo will be added. Or you can type what changes you want in this profile photo. Here you can see describe edits, and here you can type what changes you want. For example, I'm typing an old man, and after that click on the send button. When you're clicking on that, a new profile photo will be created. Now, if you didn't like this, you can go back. For that, click on this button. Or if you want to go forward, you can click on this. Or you can simply click on this button and it will regenerate another photo. And if you want to change the style, so many styles are there. From this, you can select whichever style you like. For example, I'm selecting one style. After that, click on this done button, and after that here you can see the publish option. Click on publish. When you are clicking on that, that will be saved. So this way you can easily change the profile photo of an Instagram AI chat that you have created. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.